Qual é a diferença entre o verbo conhecer e o verbo saber? E como é que usa? What is the difference between the verb conhecer and verb saber? And how can we use it? Thank you very much, Gabriel, for your question. Please allow me to explain this in English, as most of the followers are beginners and they understand English. But I will provide examples in Portuguese. In simple words, conhecer means to know about some object, some people, some places that you know. And saber means some action that you know. You have the skill or knowledge of something. Let's see some examples and it will make you more clear. If you know some person and you already met him, you can say that eu conheço. Here in example, eu conheço o Niquês desde o ano passado. I have known Niquês since last year. That means you met him. If you have a knowledge about some information or if you know some information, then you can use saber verb. Let's see one example here. Eu sei que o Niquês é professor. I know that Niquês is a teacher. Here you have a knowledge or information about Niquês that he is a teacher. If you have visited or are familiar with any places, then you can use the verb conhecer. For example here, ele conhece bem Lisboa porque viveu lá. He knows the Lisbon well because he lived there. And if you have some skills and you know how to do something, then you can use saber verb. For example here, ele sabe como pedir cartão de residência. He knows how to apply for a residency card. The skill he has. So we use verb saber. If you know something or you have some experience with some specific thing, you can use the verb conhecer. For example here, eu conheço o restaurante que serve comida excelente. I know the restaurant, it serves excellent food. You have some experience. You know about the restaurant a bit more, right? If you acquire knowledge, you know some information by learning or by studying, you can use saber verb. Ela sabe cozinhar comida nepalesa. She knows how to cook Nepali food. She has the knowledge of cooking Nepali food. Let's see some more examples and it will help you to understand it even better. Eu conheço a piscina. I know the swimming pool. I know it. Eu sei nadar. I know how to swim. Two different things, right? To knowing about the swimming pool is conhecer, and if you know how to swim, to do something, we use saber. Tu conheces o restaurante Himalaya? Do you know the Himalaya restaurant? Here I am asking that if somebody knows about it or not in general. Sabes onde fica o restaurante Himalaya? Do you know where is Himalaya restaurant? Here we are asking for the information, so we use saber verb. Eles conhecem a comida nepalesa. They know about the Nepali food. Eles sabem como cozinhar comida nepalesa. They know how to cook Nepali food. Nós conhecemos Portugal. We know Portugal. Nós sabemos falar português. We know how to speak Portuguese. Here we are talking about the knowledge we have. Conhecemos o professor de português. We know the Portuguese teacher. We know who is the Portuguese teacher. Nós sabemos que ele ensina bem. We know that he teaches well. So here we are talking about his capacity or his ability to teach Portuguese. In short, use conhecer if you know about some people, some place, or something, and use saber if you know about the activities, action, or if you have any specific knowledge or you know some information. I hope I answered your question, but still if you think you didn't get your answer or you have some confusion, please let me know. I will be happy to help you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like, I know you press the like button, and if you think this video will be helpful for others, I am sure you will share it And I know that you have already subscribed to our channel. If not, please subscribe to our channel. I will see you with next question answer session. Until then, ciao, até a próxima.